This is our solar system. Solar system, in the middle we have sun. In the middle we have sun. Now sun is here and these are 8 planets. 8 planets, they revolve around this sun like Mercury, Venus, Earth, like this. So Mercury, Venus, like this. All of them, they revolve around the sun. Also on their axis they rotate also. So first of all, this sun has its own energy and light. Others they don't have. Other planets they don't have. Some of them have rings. As I said, these are debris. These are simple, you can say, dust and small stones. These are the ring. And there is an asteroid belt. Asteroid only have small these rocks here, and since there is some gravitational pull, as I say, that you will be wondering why this moon and earth has something in common. That is, moon always go round and round earth. Same way earth goes round and round the moon. Why? This sun. Why? Because there is a gravitational pull. There is a gravitational force. That is why this earth does not change its path. It will always be moving around. This Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars always will have the same orbit or path. So let me start with the first one, which is the nearest one, Mercury. Now I will tell you 3 things. The first will be how much time does it take to move this orbit around the sun. Second thing I am going to tell you is how much time does it take to spin on its axis, imaginary axis. It rotates also like a lattu. And then the third one is how many moons any planet has. Like we have one moon. So the Mercury, the orbit time around the sun is 88 days. The spin time is 59 days. And it has no moon. Venus, and these are the distance. These are distance. See, 58, this is 58 light years. 1 light year is the time a light has taken for 1 year. How much distance the light has taken to cover in 1 year. This is light year. 1 year is 365 days. And light speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So it's a huge light years are huge distances. That is, light is very fast, and how much time does it take to travel in 1 year? That is 1 light year. And this is 58 light years away. Okay. Now, coming to the second one, which is Venus. Now this orbit time is 255 days. The spin time is 243 days. Earth is, the orbit around sun is, we know, 1 year, that is 365.25 days. Let me write it, it's 365 days. And what about this second one, which is the one spin on axis, that is 1 day or 24 hours. We have one moon. Coming to Mars, the one orbit around the sun is 687 days. One spin on the axis, 1 day. Similar, almost similar. Number of moons, 2. Now coming to Jupiter. Jupiter, it takes 11 years, 11 months and almost 12 years. One spin, 9 hours, 56 minutes. And number of moons, it has 16 moons like us we have. Then we have Saturn. Saturn, it takes 29 years. 5 months to revolve around the sun. And then we have this one spin, that is 10 hours 40 minutes. A number of moons, we have 18 moons. Then we have Uranus. This is Uranus. Uranus, 84 years it takes. 84 years. 17 hour and 14 minutes to rotate, and 17 moon it has. Coming to Neptune, 164 years it takes to take one revolution around the sun, 16 hours 7 minutes for rotating on its axis, and 8 moons it has. Okay, and this whole system is solar system, sun is in between. How do you remember these planets? There is simple way. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. MVEMJSUS. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. This is how you can remember these planets.